The topic of today's video is how to connect Salesforce CRM to N8N. Alright, so the first thing that we want to do is we want to go to the top right hand side and click on Create Workflow. Then we want to click on Add First Step. And now you can set up a trigger here, or you can use Salesforce as your trigger. So let's just type in Salesforce and we can click it when it pops up. And I'm just going to set the trigger to be on Task Created. And what's important here is we need to select a credential. So let's click in here and click on Create New Credential. Then you need to choose your environment type. Is it production or sandbox? And then click Connect My Account. From here, it's going to open up Salesforce, and all you need to do is sign in to your Salesforce account. I don't use Salesforce, so I don't have one, but you'll just put in your credentials and hit log in. And you can close all of this and you'll know you're connected when this is green. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.